Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. You know, we're having a hankering for wings, and this is the Galley of the Sun. So we're not just going to take some wings and throw in some flour and throw them in the fryer and put some buffalo sauce on them.
Oh, hell no!
What we're making today is smoked Chipotle agave wings. So this adventure all began last night. Let's take a look. So here we are on Chicken Wing Eve. First thing you need to do, pour yourself a glass of bourbon because you're about to make an incredible marinade that's going to result in some incredible wings. All right, let's do it. So, into a blender, you're going to add 2 cups of buttermilk and about 6 cloves worth of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 3 diced chipotles and adobo plus 1 tablespoon of the adobo sauce, a tablespoon of coarse sea salt and a teaspoon of coarse ground pepper, and the zest from an entire orange. We'll get that mixed up. In this gallon-sized Ziploc bag, I have 3 pounds of wings. The flats and the drummies divided. No wingtips, not a one. The marinade goes in this. We're going to chuck that in the refrigerator and leave it in there overnight. You know, if you do just a little bit of work the night before, you can have some amazing meals the following night. And that's what we're doing here. We'll see you tomorrow when it's time to take the next steps. See you then. So here we are on wing day. Those wings have been marinating in that incredible marinade for the last 24 hours. Now it's time to get them onto the smoker. My Yoder YS640S pellet grill is preheated to 450 degrees. Now, if you don't have a smoker, you can do this in your oven. You're just gonna flip them at the 25-minute point. However, you know, we're going to put these on the top rack. They got plenty of air above and beneath them, so we're not going to have to flip these at all. We're going to let them cook out here for about 45 minutes, soaking up that incredible smoke flavor and getting heated up. Today I'm using black cherry wood pellets, so this is going to be amazing. Let's get these on. Right out of the marinade onto the smoker. All right, as these smoke for the next 45 minutes, we have a few things we can get done inside. Let's go make it happen. All right, the wings are on the smoker. We got a couple things we need to do as they are taking their 45 minutes, soaking up that incredible smoke flavor. One thing we're gonna do is make the sauce. So to do that, and you know, I'm not gonna say amounts because I always screw them up. So as always, loyal viewers, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the comments section. But for this sauce, I know we're going to use some agave syrup or nectar, depending on which brand you buy. We're also going to use some diced chipotles and adobo, some hot sauce of your choice. We're using Flavolcano. Love that stuff. Get it from atbbq.com, all things barbecue. They're out of Wichita, Kansas, where good people come from, like me. Some apple cider vinegar, some minced garlic, and some olive oil. I'm going to put this on the stove on a medium-high heat, just long enough to make sure that this all gets mixed together. Then I'm going to take it off the heat and set it aside. Also, we need to put together our dipping sauce. For that, we're going to add some Mexican crema. If you can't find it, you didn't look hard enough, but if you can't find it, use sour cream. Some diced up cilantro. If you got the gene where it tastes like soap, then use parsley or don't use it at all. Some crumbled up queso fresco. Now if you can't find that, use some feta. Some diced up chives. You should be able to find that. Chive on. The juice of 1 lime. And a good pinch of salt and pepper. Now we're gonna get that all mixed up. Then we're going to chuck that in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it. So, once those wings come off, we'll go for the next step. We'll see you then. All right, wings are off the smoker, and I'll tell you, smoking them at that high temperature, they are crispy, and they smell amazing. We're going to make them more amazing. Now we're going to toss them with the sauce we made. All right, I'm not as cool as those other people that can get them to go in the air and flip over. I'm just going to stir them so I don't throw them everywhere. Because I'm hungry and I don't want to waste any of these. All right, let's get them arranged on a plate and get some judgment. See you then. All right, we got our sauce out, we got the wings done. Now it's time for Judgment by Sydney. All right, with brandy new baby. So hopefully they've cooled down enough to where they don't melt your face.
They look really good. I'm gonna do this one with bugs.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it without the sauce first.
Perfect. I was going to suggest that. She's a good judge already. And there was a lot of Chipotle in here, so people are going to be interested. Is it too hot?
Not at all.
Okay.
The Chipotle just has a really nice spice to it. You get a little bit of heat in the back of your throat, but nothing up the front. It's so crispy. It's really good.
There you go. That's what you get when you smoke at 450 degrees. You burn through the pellets, but you get crispy wings.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna finish that in just a second, but I'm gonna do a dip.
With the sauce.
Okay. Really good. The creaminess with the crispy and the flavor, it deepens it really well. So like if you don't like any spice, like if you can't handle any spice at all, do it with the sauce, but it just cuts the heat in the back, so all you get is the flavor. It's really, really good.
All right, there you go. Hey, not only a good dinner item, but a good treat for the big game. So, hey, give it a try. Thank you so much for joining us. Hey, please hit that subscribe button, that like button. It really helps us out. Leave us a comment. Where are you watching from? What's your favorite type of wings? Maybe I'll give them a try. Hey, until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.